Hello, boys and girls. Today, we're going to read you a bedtime story. It is an excerpt from the book Dead or Alive by Colonel Fred Raxer. And it's for boys and girls who like to practice the art of self-defense with the Model 1911 A1 45 ACP semi-automatic pistol. Once upon a time, a liberal Democrat known to fellow members of his cycling club as Pig Snot is attempting to acquire grassroots financing for his retail narcotics business with a giant wolf killer stiletto. Unbeknownst to Mr. Snot, his prospective financier has read this book and is prepared. The financier blocks Mr. Snot with his left hand, not retreating or allowing himself to be pushed off balance, and withdraws his salvation from its Bianchi holster. It must again be noted that one cannot fire a weapon safely while being pushed or stumbling. And there's a picture of Mr. Snot and his potential financier. And that is an urban problem. What a surprise for Mr. Snot. And who knows what thoughts are dancing behind his mirrored sunglasses as our would-be financier places the muzzle of his government model exactly 6 inches below Mr. Snot's solar plexus and pulls the trigger not once but many times. A natural reaction is that the wolf killer knife hits the asphalt and Mr. Snot clutches the financier's wrist, which affects the firing not at all, but gives the financier a respectably close group on rapid fire. A call to summon the police would be nice, but the threat is past. The end. Solution to urban problem. Boys and girls,